This guide provides a comprehensive overview of strategies and tips to help you effectively clean up storage on your iPhone 15 and keep it running smoothly. Part 1. How to check and review storage on iPhone 15. Open iPhone settings. Go to General, Phone Storage. View storage breakdown for apps, media, photos, messages. Find optimization suggestions, like deleting large apps or managing media. Part 3. How to clear storage on iPhone 15. Option 1. Uninstall apps taking up too much space. Free up iPhone 15, 14, 13 storage by identifying and managing storage-intensive apps. Offload or delete these apps to increase available storage significantly. Option 2. Clean up your photo library. If you've already checked your iPhone storage as suggested earlier, you may have identified the main culprit hogging space, which is often your photos library. Option 3. Wipe out web browsing data and cache. Cache and browsing history can slow down your iPhone's performance and clutter its storage. It's good practice to regularly clear this data. Just remember that by doing so, you might get logged out of websites and lose private data. Option 4. Clear app cache and other app data. When it comes to app data like cache and login information, most apps don't offer easy access for users to clear these. Option 5. Delete messages and attachments. Another method to clear storage on your iPhone involves clearing your message history. This can be a straightforward way to free up space on your iPhone 15. Option 6. Remove offline content, music, movies, to free up storage space on your device. You might want to consider removing locally stored content from Apple Music and movies. This includes songs, albums, films, or TV programs that are taking up a significant amount of space. Option 7. Upload photos and videos to cloud service. Using a cloud service, especially iCloud, for storing your photos and videos can significantly alleviate storage woes on your iPhone. Option 8. Clear storage on iPhone 15 without losing data. For this purpose, Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a valuable tool. Assistant for iOS simplifies the process of transferring files between an iPhone or iPad and a PC or Mac. How to move your files to a computer by using Assistant for iOS. Connect iPhone 15 to your computer with Assistant for iOS. Choose files to transfer, like photos and apps, displayed on the left. Select items with checkboxes. Click Export to start the quick transfer process.